Imagine stepping into a factory that produces thousands of cars every day, but inside every single light is turned off, and there isn't a single human being in sight. Right now, as you listen to these words, smoke continues to rise from hundreds of thousands of factory chimneys around the world. Wheels are spinning and massive assembly lines are sliding endlessly forward. Yet in many of these facilities, compared to just 20 years ago, there is one radical change: absolute silence. Only carrier robots gliding silently along magnetic tracks beneath the floor. Massive orange robotic arms tracing flawless arcs in the air. And the subtle hum of camera sensors mounted on the ceiling. It is right here in the middle of this quiet that humanity's biggest and most unsettling question is born. Will artificial intelligence and robots really truly take over every factory on Earth? Is human labor about to be erased forever from the history of industrial production? Lean back. Adjust your volume. Today we are taking a deep journey into the future of factories and the final role of human beings in manufacturing. Throughout history, what made humans indispensable in a factory was raw muscle power and manual dexterity. Yet every machine we built had one major limitation: they had no brain. A massive press machine could not tell whether the piece placed in front of it was a human arm or a sheet of metal. There was always a need for a human eye and mind to stand beside the machine and make decisions. Then, artificial intelligence entered the scene. AI did not just teach factory machines to execute commands. It taught them to see, to learn, and to adapt. Today, in places like Shenzhen in China or the Yamanashi Mountains in Japan, we have lights-out manufacturing, or dark factories. Facilities where the lights are never turned on, because robots do not need visible light to see. Inside there are no shift changes, no lunch breaks, no union strikes, and no lapses in concentration caused by exhaustion. At some facilities owned by Fenyuk, one of the world's largest robot manufacturers, robots are building other robots without a single human intervention. So, why isn't every single factory on Earth operating this way today? Because of a famous rule in engineering. The last 10% of automation is more expensive than the first 90%. Welding and lifting heavy steel is child's play for a robot. But when it comes to sewing a car seat cover, threading a bundle of flexible wires through a cramped engine block, or stretching smooth leather over a dashboard, AI and robotics hit a brick wall. Handling flexible, shapeless, and irregular objects is an incredible skill that human brains and fingers perform naturally. Furthermore, fully automating a factory requires tens of millions of dollars in sensors and AI infrastructure. If employing humans remains cheaper than building and maintaining a complex robot system, humans will continue to work in that factory, and economics is not the only barrier. The second, and perhaps greatest obstacle, is flexibility. When a warped piece of raw material arrives on the production line, or an unexpected mechanical jam occurs, AI stumbles. A human worker notices an unusual sound, senses a subtle flaw, and invents a creative solution on the spot. AI does not possess intuition. It only calculates probabilities. So, what is the final verdict? The factory of the future will not be a cold, dystopian robot prison where humans are banned. It will be a hybrid ecosystem built around collaborative robots, or cobots, working side by side with human beings. The rough, dangerous, and physically draining work will belong entirely to robots, while quality control, problem-solving, design, and system architecture will remain firmly in human hands. Centuries ago, when the first steam-powered looms entered factories, workers tried to smash those machines with hammers, believing technology would destroy their lives forever. The machines did take those specific jobs, but they also freed humanity from 16-hour days of back-breaking physical labor, opening the door to new industries and a higher level of civilization. Today, with the AI and robotics revolution, we stand on a very similar threshold. Robots are not taking over factories. They are liberating human beings from working in conditions that are unfit for humans. You can open your eyes now. The lights in the factories will not go out completely. They will simply shine not on mechanical arms, but on a new generation of human minds directing them from above. Until the next episode, take care of yourselves.